Hi boys and girls, today I'm going to talk to you guys about gardening. There's a couple of things that we're going to need, such as soil or dirt. First step is to dig a hole. Next, to figure out what you're going to plant. You can plant seeds. You can plant flowers that are already in pots that you can buy at a store. Or you can even plant regrown vegetable scraps, like the ones that I have from the plants that I grew. They're all going to need some sunshine. And they're also going to need to be watered. So this is the garden that my kids and my niece helped me make. As you can see, all the plants that grew in the cups, the carrot, my lettuce, my beet, radish, my tomato, my garlic, and other things that you can't see because they have to be underground or in there, like a sweet potato and a potato. So we'll see what happens. I'll keep you guys updated. This is my garden. I love to see yours.